In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track team performance in Jira, an essential skill for project managers and team leaders looking to keep an eye on productivity and project progression. Jira is a powerful tool with its tracking capabilities, and mastering it can provide valuable insights into your team's workflow. To get started, first navigate to your left-hand menu in Jira and click on Dashboards. This section is your gateway to setting up visual displays of your project's progress and team performance. Once you've opened the dashboard section, you'll have the option to either select an existing dashboard or create a new one. If you're new to this, I suggest starting by clicking on Create Dashboard. This approach allows you the flexibility to customize it specifically for tracking team performance, tailoring the dashboard to fit the unique needs of your project and team. Next, you'll want to click Edit Dashboard. Editing your dashboard is a crucial step because it enables you to add and configure the tools you need for effective monitoring. After that, click on Add Gadget to begin enhancing your dashboard with features that will provide you with valuable insights into performance metrics. Gadgets are essentially tools that visualize data, helping you understand how well your team is working towards its goals. In the Add Gadgets section, you'll find a search bar. Here, type in Sprint Burndown Gadget. The Sprint Burndown Gadget is indispensable for visualizing how well your team is keeping up with sprint goals. Once you've located it, simply click Add. This action will prompt the gadget to appear on your dashboard. With the gadget now added, it's time to configure it to match your project needs. Start by selecting your Scrum board from the options provided. The Scrum board is where you'll see all tasks, stories, and issues related to your project. It's essential to ensure the board is accurate and up-to-date to get the most reliable performance data. Having current data means your insights will be based on the latest project developments, allowing for more strategic decision-making. Once your Scrum board is selected, it's time to choose the specific sprint you want to monitor. Sprints are predefined work cycles in Scrum, so selecting the right one is crucial for gleaning insights into the correct time frame that you're interested in analyzing. Setting a refresh interval is the next step, and this determines how often the data on your dashboard will update. You might choose a 15-minute interval or adjust it according to your team's needs. Regular updates ensure you're always working with the most recent data, which is vital for making timely interventions if things start to deviate from the plan. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, click on Save. This action secures all the configurations you've made, ensuring your dashboard is ready to provide you with ongoing insights into how your team is performing against the sprint goals. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive view of your team's workload and productivity, allowing you to make informed decisions and enhance team performance effectively. With your Jira dashboard fully configured, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to monitor and improve project outcomes.